Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb on Steam. The first thing you need to do is open Steam. You can open Steam if you've got it in the taskbar or desktop shortcut, or you can press the Windows key and in the search box type in Steam. Once you see the icon, click it to open Steam. Once you have the Steam app loaded, scroll over to Friends, click it, scroll down to View Friends List, click that as well, and if you look very carefully on the right next to your username, there's a small drop down arrow, click it. You see a bunch of more options, and if you scroll down to Do Not Disturb, there's a box right next to it, and click that box. You'll see now a Do Not Disturb icon right next to your username. I would also like to add this disables all chat notifications, and if you want to reverse it, it's a simple click again to disable Do Not Disturb. Thank you again for watching this how-to video. If you found this video helpful, I would be appreciative if you can click that like button and also click the subscribe button. There's also the option to click the notification button, which will give you almost instant notifications when a video is uploaded and becomes public on YouTube. Thank you again for watching one of these videos, and I hope to see you again in another how-to video. Take care of yourself, see you soon.